My name is Tanya Mosby, and I'd like to welcome you to my quick yet informative video cast tutorial on Audacity. Audacity is an open source recording and editing tool which we will be sharing in our video today. For more detailed information, I would encourage you to please visit the audacitytopodcast.com. First of all, if you've not already downloaded Audacity, you can simply go to the Google website and just key in Audacity, and it will give you an area where you can download, preferably from audacity.sourceforge.net. I would also strongly encourage you to download Lame. That's Lame. That's an MP3 encoder, and that can be used to for saving purposes. Audacity normally saves in the WAV file extension, and if you want to save using an MP3 extension, then you need to use that encoder. Okay, without further ado, we'll go ahead and get started. Let's go ahead and just view our tool palette. We've got our pause button, the play button, the stop, the fast forward home, fast forward to the end, record. When you record, there are a couple of things that we want to take into consideration. Let's look here. We can start monitoring our feedback. This is our recording level, and according to this, I'm a bit loud, so I'm going to turn it down. Notice I just use the slider and it sounds better already. Okay, now let's go to the recording level, and you can also set your preferences here as well. Both of the defaults, the refresh rates have been set to 30, and you can manipulate the meter style, the meter type, and the orientation. Okay, let's go ahead and visit our project rate. It's set at 44,100, and this is a good option to ensure good quality. Okay, here, as I mentioned earlier, this is the record button, and I'm going to simply press it. We are now recording. This is a test. It is only a test. I allowed for some dead noise. Okay, go ahead and stop it. The purpose for allowing for the leaving a little dead space is to be able to go back and edit out any talking or telephone noise and things of that nature. Now, if you were talking and the telephone rang, then there's not a very effective way to minimize that. You would simply have to record that, re-record that that particular audio. Okay, let's go ahead and look at the editing tool now. In order to edit here, you can edit using the edit option here, as well as effect. Initially, you need to highlight the area that you want to edit, and I'll start with the 0, and I'll go to the first 4 seconds. Okay, and I am going to simply say edit, and I don't want that in there, so I can just say I'll delete it, and I did so. Now let's go back and test our audio now. It is only a test. I allowed for some dead noise. Okay, did we see how easy that was? Now let's go ahead and use our next editing effect. I'll highlight again, the same process, and we'll just do 2 seconds. And let's go to, how about the pause stretch? That sounds fun. Okay. And it is processed, and now let's play it back. Ooh, sounds straight out like it's straight out of a spooky movie. Wasn't that fun? Okay. There you have it, a quick snippet on recording and editing in Audacity. It was quick, it was informative, and I hope you enjoyed it. Thank you. I'll go ahead and save my changes. And then I'll go ahead and save it as Audacity.